myself Bhavya.
Myself Jatin.
Will explain how oxygen is necessary for combustion.
First we need material required are test tube holder, candle, matchbox, incense stick and potassium permanganate crystals. Light the incense stick and let it burn for 10 seconds. Put out the flame and keep it aside. Make sure the incense stick has burning stub. Now take potassium permanganate into the test tube and hold it into the test tube holder.
Heat it under the flame of spirit lamp or Bunsen burner. Oxygen is released on heating of potassium permanganate. Insert the incense stick with a burning stub into the test tube. You will observe incense stick burn with a flame. Here oxygen supports combustion by helping incense stick to burn with a bright flame.
Materials which we required are, these are the materials: potassium permanganate crystals, incense stick, test tube holder, spatula, matchbox, candle and test tube. Now we will do the procedure. First light the incense stick. Let it burn for 10 seconds. Put out the flame and keep it aside. Take potassium permanganate into the test tube. And hold it with the test tube holder.
Heat it under the flame of spirit lamp or Bunsen burner. Oxygen is released on heating of potassium permanganate. Insert the incense stick into the test tube with a burning stub. You will observe incense sticks burn with a flame. Here, oxygen supports combustion by helping incense stick to burn with a bright flame. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.